How to edit profile on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, open the app. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Then go out on your profile icon. In this way, you can see here different options. Click on this circle and you can see at the top edit profile. You can change your username, you can upload your photo, you can change your height, date of birth, locations, time zones, and etc. Your email address. In this way, you can edit your profile on MyFitnessPal app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.